it's me again, Teacher Christine. Today, I am going to teach you the names of the animals. Let me start with the animals that live on a farm. Get ready to watch and listen, kids. Here they are. This animal gives us eggs and meat. Yes, you're right, kids. This is a chicken. Next, this animal helps the farmers to plow the fields and carry heavy objects. They also give us milk. And this animal's name is carabao. Good job. Another farm animal is the pig. Pig gives us meat. Aside from these animals, you can also find the following on the farm. These are sheep, goat, duck, horse, donkey, turkey, goose, and many more. Now let me also show you animals that live in the forest or the wild ones. We can also see some of them in the zoo. Are you excited to see them? Let's get started. This one is a big animal, really big. It has big ears and also uses its trunk to get its own food. Yes, you're right. This is an elephant. What about this one? They said this animal is the king of the jungle. Have you watched The Lion King by Walt Disney? Yes, he is a lion. And he is the star in that movie. Next, this animal acts as the bad one in the movie Lion King. Do you know its name? Good job, kids! This animal is the hyena, the animal that laughs. Aside from these animals, some of the wild ones are the snake, alligator, tiger, zebra, giraffe, and many more. Good job, kids! That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye!